Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Let me zoom out a little bit. I'm here to share hashtag Color and Create with Us You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary You Rock Art here on YouTube. So this is an open collaboration that she's hosting. She picked out this large print coloring book if you wanted to partake, and a lot of us did buy this, but you don't have to color in this book. You can color in anything you want. Just come on Mondays with that hashtag and share what you colored or create. You could create anything you want. If that's all you did this week, then please, by all means, come on and share that. This week, well, I missed last week's coloring page, but I'm going to share what I did. I finally sat down and crafted on my last video. My last video, I said that I really wasn't up to crafting or coloring for that matter. And but I'm here today because I found some time this week and or this past weekend, and I wanted to share what I did. So I think it was last Monday, the 7th, was this page, and its page is kind of cool. I used blue, and this is actually purple, but on camera it looks blue. And then I used like a mahogany color. So it really looks really different, and used orange and gold in the center. And that is for last Monday, the 7th. Okay. This week's is the hot air balloon, and this was an awesome page to color. I had a lot of fun coloring it. The trees, I kind of made it like a fall feel because I used green for the grass. And then I used sand because I was doing a red, white, kind of like a red, white, and blue balloon. But I like the sand color in the center of that, and then all the clouds. It's a really, really nice picture of the hot air balloon. So those are my 2 pages for Rosemary's open collaboration. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.